Adding a new item. Once you have logged into your Auditor system, you will notice a banner with headings at the top right of the screen. Click on the Items heading tab. This will take you to the Items dashboard. To add a new item, click on the green button at the top right of the screen called Add New Asset or Item. A pop-up box will appear. You will notice that there are two ways to create a new asset: individually or using a bulk upload template from Excel. I'm going to start by showing you how you can create an individual asset or item. We start by entering in the asset or item ID and the asset or item name. When naming the item, ensure that you include the asset number within the name description. This is because when searching for an item during the creation of a task, you can only search by item name and not by item number. Next, select your category and subcategory from the drop-down menu. Then, select the location where the item is located within your business. If it is a mobile asset, such as a vehicle, you only need to select the first two location levels. The third level is optional. You can attach a file to the asset or item. This might be a safety manual on the item, or a work instruction on how to use the item. Note, adding a file or document is optional when creating an item, but it can only be done in an individual asset or item creation and not by bulk upload. To attach an existing file that is stored in your file manager within your Rapid Induct system, click on the From File Manager button, or you can upload directly from a file saved on your desktop by uploading or dropping files into the Upload box. The last two sections are free text fields to add comments or detailed information about that asset or item. This is not a mandatory section. Adding a new item, bulk upload. Now I'm going to show you how to upload a bulk list of items. This feature is handy if you have purchased a new fleet of vehicles, for example. To add a new item, click on the green button at the top right of the screen called Add New Asset or Item. This time we're going to select the bulk upload from Excel, and you will notice instructions on the screen. Follow these instructions, starting with Step 1. Download the Excel template. Step 2 is to fill in the asset or item details in the Excel template that you have just downloaded. Do you remember the sections that were not mandatory for an asset or item? I'll refresh your memory. When completing the template, remember all fields are mandatory except the Level 3 location, comments, and asset or item information. And remember that if you have files to attach to the asset or item, you must do this one by one. This cannot be done via the bulk upload method. Save the populated template to your desktop and then upload or drop into the box on the screen. Press Save. You will now see a list of all your assets on the screen and can start scheduling tasks for your assets or items. Click to subscribe to our channel and visit Rapid Support Centre for more helpful tutorials and guides.